NutPile tutorial, Getting Started, User Account and NutPile Software. Visit us at www.nutpile.com and click on the link that says Start Monitoring Today. This will open up ncp.nutpile.com. NCP stands for NutPile Control Panel, or what we also call the dashboard. This is where you will see your internet monitoring reports and tools once the software is installed. Fill in your email address, first and last name, and choose a username and password. Click the Sign Up button. You will see a message, your account has been created. Please check your email for activation instructions. Open up your email program and look for an email from NutPile Networks. It will ask you to confirm your email address by clicking on a link to activate your account. Now we'll return to the NutPile control panel. Since this is your first time, we're going to create a software agent. Enter the physical address of where your agent will be located. You can click the autofill button below and you'll see the map adjust to show where your agent will be, and it will also set the correct time zone. Next, under Device, choose the operating system that you'll be running the software on. Click the Create button. Next, agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on the button that says Download Latest Software. You'll see it begin downloading on the bottom left corner of your screen. When the software is done downloading, double-click on it. It should open up the download folder on your desktop. Double-click on the NutPile software, and it will begin to install. During the installation, you'll be asked to enter your credentials that you created earlier on, so enter your username and password. Click the OK button. The system will check your credentials to make sure you typed everything correctly. And if you did, you'll get installation successfully completed. Click the Close button. Go back to your email client and you should have two emails from NutPile, one welcoming you and a second one confirming your agent number and the email address and the location of the agent. Save these for later. Next, go back to ncp.nutpile.com and enter your username and password and click the Login button. You can choose to save your password and you'll be brought to the dashboard. You'll see that your software is active and you'll see some other items including subscription and your location, plus 4 icons underneath Actions. The first icon is the dashboard. Let's click on that and see what you have so far. Because this is a new installation, there won't be much data yet. Check back in a few hours and you should see how your internet connection is doing. Mouse over any question mark to have a detailed explanation of the individual items on your dashboard. And join us for our next video, Understanding the NutPile Dashboard. Thanks for watching.